13 easy ways to organize your home and your life. 1. When you buy a new shirt, donate 2 from your closet. 2. Put your cosmetics into pallets. 3. Use a pegboard and zip ties underneath your desk to keep your wires neat. 4. Keep your discount cards virtually on your phone with the Keyring app. 5. Find ways to get rid of your old books. Donate any children's books that the kids have outgrown to a local library. Give books away to family and friends you believe would enjoy them. And sell your old textbooks for a little extra cash. And for cookbooks, only keep the ones with a large number of recipes you plan on making. If there are only a couple of usable recipes, just photocopy them and keep them in a binder and give the cookbook away. 6. Keep your cleaning supplies in a mobile bucket caddy. Find link in video description. 7. Use hooks, not towel bars. 8. Wrap the cords around your unused appliances and secure with Velcro. 9. Get rid of your board game and puzzle boxes and keep them in bins instead. 10. Identify your clutter traps, then divide and conquer. 11. Use your iPhone or iPad as a pocket scanner with Genius Scan. Find link in video description. 12. Limit your dish sets to 2 or 3 more than the required place setting. 13. Spread your minimalist lifestyle by only giving gifts that people can use. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more organizing and do-it-yourself ideas for your home.